So hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to another video. My name is Akash and you're watching Akash Sky Vlog. So if you're new to my channel, then I'm Akash and I make content related to my lifestyle, content related to college. In short, content. मैं सिर्फ content ही बनाता हूँ क्योंकि I love making it. And so let's get started. मैंने ना previously 2 videos upload की थी. एक video थी Everything You Need to About Christ Hostel. If you haven't seen, जाके देख लो, आई बटन में आ जाएगी. एंड अनदर ऑल द डिटेल्स अबाउट BBA, क्योंकि काफ़ी सारे लोग, जितनी भी मेरी ऑडियंस है ना, वो लोग कमेंट करते हैं कि भैया आप इस कोर्स के बारे में बताओ, इसके बारे में बताओ. इट्स नॉट पॉसिबल टू गो एंड रिप्लाई ऑल द कमेंट्स द सेम थिंग. सो आई जस्ट डिसाइडेड टू मेक अ पर्टिकुलर वीडियो so that it can solve a lot of people's doubts. So let's get started. So today's video is gonna be about psycho education या फिर psychology course at BYC Bangalore यशवंतपुर campus of Christ University. So let's get started. एक और अपडेट दे देता हूँ कि I'm not into psychology course. I'm doing my BCom with ACCA which is International Accounting and Finance. मेरा DPS डिपार्टमेंट से कोर्स है विच इज़ डिपार्टमेंट ऑफ प्रोफेशनल स्टडीज़. जैसे CA करते हैं वैसे मैं ACCA कर रहा हूँ. सो इसका टाइमिंग थोड़ा अलग होता है. इसका टाइमिंग फ्रॉम 7 to 11:30 और BCom क्लासेस. एंड अगर कोई प्रोफेशनल क्लासेस है तो दे गो अप टू 5 o'clock, रोज़ नहीं, कभी कभी. सो ये एक जनरल इन्फॉर्मेशन मैं देना चाहता हूँ. बट ये जो साइकोलॉजी कोर्स है ना, दिस कम्स अंडर अ नॉर्मल कोर्स. सो इसका टाइमिंग नहीं, ये मैं बाद में बता दूंगा. पहले मैं बात करने वाला हूँ स्पेशलाइजेशंस की. मतलब साइकोलॉजी कोर्स में कितनी सारी स्पेशलाइजेशंस आपको मिल जाएंगी. अनदर डिस्क्लेमर आई वांट टू गिव इज दैट आई विल बी टॉकिंग ऑल द कोर्सेज ऑफ यशवंतपुर कैंपस because this is where I study. I'm not sure about the central campus. It's just that you will definitely get the same courses in other campuses also, but it might differ from one or two courses. The thing is, central campus has a lot more options, but again, getting there is also very hard. And Yashwantpur campus is a new campus which was recently started in 2022 or 21. I forgot. It's been just 3 years. This is the 3rd year. So yes, getting into Yashwantpur is slightly easier than getting into central campus because the competition there is more hard. The first course, it is BSc Psychology. इसमें 2 sections होने वाले हैं, A and B. Well, BSc Psychology is something जहाँ पे आपको biology subjects होगा, so that it is more related to science, I can say. The second course which is available is BA Psych and English. So BA Psych is a course, मतलब it's the specialization. BA Psych is the normal course and English is the specialization which you are taking. English में आपको literature वगैरह पढ़ाएंगे. The third one specialization which is BA Psych, again the normal course BA Psychology and the specialization is economics. And the fourth one is BA Psych and it is the specialization is media. मीडिया में आपको कम्युनिकेशंस वगैरह सिखाएंगे. they'll teach you more about all types of media like news reporting and all. Well, there is another particular course called as BA Psych journalism that is not available in the Yashwantpur campus. Then you should definitely try it in the central campus. Now the thing is, all the courses whichever you are taking like BA Psych or BSc Psychology, all these courses are only for 3 years. And if you want to do your honors, like the specialization for 1 more year, then it is for 4 years. So it is in your hand. Like it is completely optional if you want to do it for 3 years or 4 years. It is not compulsory that you have to do it for 4 years. Now you might be thinking that which one should I choose? Now personally, I just want to tell that the specialization wouldn't matter a lot apart from the first one which is BSc Psychology, because वो थोड़ा science के related है और rest all other are art courses. So it wouldn't make a huge difference no matter which one you're taking, but it's just that you can take according to your interest. Suppose if I was there, I would have chosen the media one because I love making content and also it would have been definitely helped me. If you are someone who likes literature and all, then you should definitely go with English. And if you have interest in numbers or maybe analysis or something like that, then you should definitely consider economics. And again, if you want to ask me that question कि भैया इसमें जाके जॉब ऑप्शंस क्या होंगे, सबके ऑप्शन सेम ही रहने वाले, इट वुडंट मैटर. हाँ, इफ़ यू डू अ स्पेशलाइजेशन शायद आगे जाके आपको उस पर्टिकुलर फील्ड में जॉब मिलने के चांसेस ज़्यादा हो जाते हैं. Now I'll be talking about the timings for BA Psychology. I mean all the psychology courses at Christ Yeshwanthpur. The college starts at 9:30 and it ends at 3:30. The break is between 12:30 to 1:30. This is from Monday to Friday. Third Saturday is a holiday. Every Thursday is you'll have your uniform, and every Saturday the timings will be from again 9:30 to 1:30. It will be a half day. Now the सबसे ज़्यादा important question यही रहता है, no matter whichever course you take, सबका मेन फोकस यही रहता है कि भैया पैकेज कितना मिलेगा. पैकेज ऑनेस्टली डिफर करता है. जैसे बीए साइकोलॉजी वाले अगर कोर्स ले रहे हैं, सो दे कैन गो इनटू मेडिकल फील्ड लाइक द साइकियाट्रिस्ट और समथिंग लाइक दैट. डोंट जज मी इफ आई एम रॉन्ग, आई एम जस्ट थिंकिंग. दे कैन गो इनटू मेडिकल फील्ड, हॉस्पिटल्स एंड ऑल, तो उनका थोड़ा हायर रहेगा बिकॉज उनकी एक्सपर्टाइज थोड़ी अलग रहेंगी. द एवरेज पैकेज विच आई गॉट टू नो फ्रॉम माई फ्रेंड इज फ्रॉम 4 लाख to 6 लाख पर एनम, मतलब इतना कुछ होगा. एंड एवरी कोर्स फीस इज डिफरेंट. इट स्टार्ट्स फ्रॉम 1 लाख to 2 लाख, सो अकॉर्डिंग टू दैट इट माइट डिफर. So this is all about psychology course at Christ University. Now if you're someone who is really confused and you don't know what you should take in future, then I'll be making another video where it might help you out ki what to take after your 12th standard. And if you're someone who has decided that you have interest in psychology, then this video might be helpful for you. Another thing, if you are from science background, commerce background or arts background, it wouldn't matter. You can definitely apply for psychology course. And the best part, like this is the best, I've kept it for the last, that you don't have any entrance exam for this. You just have to give your presentation. You just have to micro presentation. You'll have your skill assessment mein they'll give you a topic and you have to write about 1 page for approximately 10 minutes, and then you'll have your personal interview. So in this course, in this particular course or the field, you don't have to give any entrance exam, which is such a nice thing. Well, also people who are really passionate about psychology, they should definitely consider it because it is a booming course in future, I'm pretty sure, and it is a very nice course. So that's it for this video. I hope you have enjoyed it. If you did so, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe to my channel and comment down below. If you have any doubt, like any silly doubt, don't hesitate, please comment down. मैं try करूँगा कि मैं reply करूँ. Even if I don't reply, maybe in past I'll make a video out of that. And if you're someone who is passionate about some other course like engineering or maybe science के course, comment down, I'll also make a video upon that. So thank you for watching. See you in the next video. Bye.